A man returns home from a long day at work. He is excited to find out what's for dinner. Only to learn, tonight is his turn to cook. These kids aren't gonna feed themselves. Hurry up, Dad, it looks like they're wasting away. Uh-oh, looks like the grocery shopping didn't take care of itself either. What on earth could he make with just 3 simple ingredients? He has an idea. Time to loosen up the old tie, roll up those sleeves, and get to work.
First, we need a plate, followed by 2 slices of bread. We'll begin spreading the peanut butter evenly onto one of the slices of bread. We'll repeat this for the second slice. This will keep the bread from getting soggy. Using a separate clean knife, we'll spread the jelly. Once completed, place the first slice with the peanut butter facing down on top of the second slice.
And just like that, hungry kids turn into happy kids. Way to go, Dad. Looks like you'll be cooking from now on.